Now equate the first and last term to get h and equate these two to get k. Dear students, they have given a point. The point we say p of x1, y1, and they have given a line. The line is called as ax minus 6, it will be plus 12, 12 by 25 it will be, and LHS, equate the first term and last you will get h, and then equate it, you will get k. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we will go ahead with the problems of straight lines. Exercise 17.5. Find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular from minus 6, 2 on the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So dear students, so this is the perpendicular. This is the foot of perpendicular. We call it as h comma k. And this is the point we call it as p. P is what? Minus 6 comma 2. So x1, y1 is the point and h comma k be the foot. Directly we can use the formula in spite of here these two lines are perpendicular, product of slopes is minus 1. All those conditions in spite of that, directly for foot of perpendicular we'll assume let h comma k, this point we name it as f, be the foot of perpendicular. Then we can directly use the formula to find foot of perpendicular. The formula is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So if you substitute in this formula, you will get h comma k. H means unknown h. X1 is the x coordinate of the given point, that is minus 6, minus of minus 6. And a means from the line. See, in line, we call line as ax plus by plus c. The line is what? This line is ax plus by plus c. In this problem, ax plus by plus c is given. What is that they gave? 3x minus 4y plus 1. So a is 3, b is minus 4, c is 1. So h minus x1 by a, that is by 3, is equal to k minus y1. What is y1? 2 divided by b. B is minus 6 is equal to minus of ax1, that is 3 into minus 6 plus by1. B is minus 4 into y1. Y1 is 2 plus c. C is what? 1 divided by a square plus b square. 3 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 4 the whole square. Simplify this, you'll get h minus of minus 6 becomes h plus 6 divided by a. A is what? 3 is equal to k minus 2. K minus 2 divided by b. What is b? Minus 4. Ax1 means 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. Then minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Plus 1, outside we'll have minus divided by a square plus b square. 3 square is 9, minus 4 the whole square is 16. So further h plus 6 divided by 3 is equal to k minus 2 divided by 4 is equal to, so minus 18 minus 8 is minus 26, minus 26 plus 1 is minus 25, minus of minus 25 is plus 25 divided by 25. 25 by 25 becomes 1. So now h plus 6 by 3 is equal to k minus 2 by 4 is equal to 1. Now equate the first and last term to get h and equate these two to get k. So now here h plus 6 divided by 3 is 1. Solving this, you will get h plus 6 is equal to 3. H is equal to 3 minus 6. H is minus 3. Similarly, k minus 2 divided by minus 4 is 1. K minus 2 is minus 4. K is equal to minus 4 plus 2. And k is minus 2. So now we got h and k. So when I equate h plus 6 by 3 to 1, I'll get h. K minus 2 by minus 4 to 1, I'll get k. So now we got h comma k. Club it, that is foot of perpendicular. Therefore, f is equal to h comma k and h is how much? Minus 3, k is minus 2, is the foot of perpendicular. Is the foot of perpendicular. Now we got foot of perpendicular. Find the image of point. So image of point with respect to the line. Dear students, they have given a point. The point we say P of x1, y1, and they have given a line. The line is called as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And with respect to this line, image, so line acts as mirror. Image is I is another point. We say image as h comma k. Now we need to find image. In order to find image, like foot of perpendicular, again you can write the formula. In that formula, in spite of minus, we'll have minus 2. So same like image, foot of perpendicular, I taught you h minus. So foot of perpendicular, whatever the formula we have written. Similarly, we can write formula for image, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So now this is the formula. Once you are thorough with the formula, just substitute the values in the formula and solve for h and k. So now the point, what is the point they give? Point is 2 comma 5. So here 2 is x1, 5 is y1, and line, what is the line they give? 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Here a is 4 and b is minus 3 and c is 1. This direct method helps you to solve the problem faster. Here also what we'll do is, so line joining this 2 is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Product of slopes is minus 1. Equating that, we'll arrive at it. But no need to go roundabout, directly you can use the formula. So in the beginning, just we should mention, let I is equal to h comma k be image of the point. Be image. This is our assumption. Then substitute. H is unknown, leave it, and x1 you know. What is x1? 2 by a is what? 4. K is unknown, minus y1. What is y1? 5 divided by b is what? Minus 3 is equal to minus 2 times ax1. Ax1 means 4 into 2 plus b. What is b? Minus 3 into y1. Y1 is 5 plus c. C is what? Plus 1 divided by a square plus b square. 4 square plus minus 3 the whole square. Simplify this, you will get h minus 2 by 4 is equal to k minus 5 by minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 8 minus 15 plus 1 divided by 16 plus 9. Further, we will simplify this. So, h minus 2 by 4 is equal to k minus 5 by minus 3 is equal to, here we have 8 plus 1 is 9, minus 15 plus 9, minus 2 times, minus 15 plus 9 divided by 25, h minus 2 by 4, k minus 5 by minus 3, minus 2 into, it will become minus 6 divided by 25. Further, h minus 2 by 4 is equal to k minus 5 by 3 minus 3 is equal to 12 by 25. Now each term equated. First equate h and this. The first term and last term, if you equate, you will get h. We'll do that now. That is h minus 2 by 4 is equal to 12 divided by 25. Simplify this. H minus 2 is equal to 12 by 25. Sorry, 12 by 25. By 4 goes that side into 4. H is equal to 24 by 25 plus 2. H is equal to, if you take LCM, 25 is the LCM. 24 plus 50. That is 74 by 25. Similarly, equate the first two terms. For last two terms, if you equate last two terms, k minus 5 by minus 3 is equal to 12 by 25. Further simplify, so k minus 5 is equal to 12 by 25 into minus 3 So k is equal to minus 36 by 25 plus 5. So k is equal to 25 is the LCM again, and minus 36 plus 125, that is k is 25, 100, 125, 36, 15 minus 6 is 9, 11 minus 3, 889, positive 89, k is 89 by 25. So therefore they want image I is h comma k, and you got h and k. What is h you got? 74 by 25, and k you got 89 by 25. This is the image. Just what we have done, we have used the formula. What is the formula? H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So minus 2 times ax1 means, so a is what? 4, b is minus 3, c is this. So 4 into 2, 8, then minus 3 into 5, minus 15, then 1, that's it. So we'll get 9 minus 15. Denominator will be 4 square minus 3 the whole square, that is 16 plus 9, 25. So that continues. Minus 6 it will be plus 12, 12 by 25 it will be, and LHS equate the first term and last, you will get h, and then equate it, you will get k. This is how we can find image. Similarly, they want you to find the image of 2, 3 on this line. Again, same method. So the given point, what is the given point? 2, 3, we call this as x1, y1. And the line, this is the line. What is the line they gave? 3x plus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. And we call this as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And we'll assume I be the image. This is the point, I be the image. I is equal to h comma k be the image. So let I is equal to h comma k be the image, and to find the image we use the formula. What is the formula? H minus k, h minus x1 divided by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Simplify this. H minus x1, h minus 2 by a is what? 3, k minus y1, k minus 3 by b is what? 5, minus 2 times ax1. So a is what? 3 into 2 plus by1, that is 5 into 3 plus c is what? 4 divided by a square, 3 square plus 5 square. Further we'll simplify this. H minus 2 by 3 is equal to k minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 2 into 3 to the 6 plus 15 plus 4, 6 plus 15 plus 4 divided by 9 plus 25. H minus 2 by 3 is equal to k minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 2 into, it will be 1035 divided by 34. 2 1s are 2 17s are. So h minus 2 by 3 is equal to k minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to minus 35 by 17. Now equate first and last term to get h, equate second and last term to get k. So equate this. So h minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 35 by 17. Simplify. H minus 3 is equal to minus 35 into 3 divided by 17. H is equal to 3 5s are 15, 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, minus 105 divided by 17 plus 3. Minus 3 goes that side. Further you can simplify. So h is equal to LCM is 17 minus 105 plus 51, and h is equal to 17 minus 105 and 51. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is, and 10 minus 5 is 5, minus 54 by this. Similarly, equate k minus 3 by 5, equate it to minus 35 by 17. Simplify this. K is equal to minus 35 into 5 by 17 plus 3. Further simplify. 17 is the LCM. 5 5 is a 25. 5 3 is a 15 plus 2, 17 minus 175 plus 51. Simplify this, you will get K value. K is 17, 175 and 51, 4, 2, minus 124. So therefore you got image is what? H comma K, and you got H. What is the H value? H value minus 54 by 17 comma minus 124 by 17. I hope all of you got this. Next, see, till now we have done problems on reflection, that is image, and we have also found out problems on foot of perpendicular. Both will have same formula. I gave one single line formula, you can use it. If you put 2, it will be image. If you remove 2, it will be foot of perpendicular, same formula. So now the other problem which we have done, find the equation of straight line passing through intersection of these two, and slope is this. So first, it's in passing through intersection of these two means first find point of intersection. So first line is x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Second line is 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. So for first line and second line, make the quotient same. Here we have 3x, but here we have x. So multiply the first equation by 3. If you do that, you will get 3x plus 3 2 is 6y plus 3 3 is 9 equal to 0. Second line we have 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. So we call this as 1 dash and we call this as 2. Subtract them. When you subtract, sign changes, 3x cancels. It will be 2y and this will be 2 is equal to 0, and simplify this. So 2y becomes minus 2 and y becomes what? Minus 1. So you got y, put y is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y, 2 into minus 1 plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 2 plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. That implies x is equal to minus 1. So therefore point of intersection we got, point of intersection is equal to x comma y, whatever we got, that is minus 1 comma minus 1. So now you got point of intersection. Once you know the point of intersection and you know slope, so therefore point is x1 y1 will say, and what is x1 y1? Minus 1, and slope means m, they gave slope is minus 3 by 2. When you know slope and point, use point slope form. So required equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. If you know point and point on the line, and if you know slope of the line, you can use point slope form. This is point slope form. Memorize. What is point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, this is x1, this is y1 substituted. Y minus minus 1 is equal to m is minus 3 by 2, x minus minus 1. Simplify this, so it will become y plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x plus 1. So transfer 2 to LHS, so it will become 2 into y plus 1 is equal to minus 3 into x plus 1. 2y plus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Bring all terms to this side, so 3x plus 2y plus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the required line. So they want you to find the equation of line passing through intersection of two lines. So that's why first find point of intersection, that will give you x minus 1, that is point on the line, and slope is m. If you know point and slope, use what form? Point slope form. Using point slope form, we got the equation of the line. I hope all of you understood this. So now please sit and revise the problems. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.